sunrise, we look like we're a little bit better. Maybe a stray thunderstorm this afternoon, but your better rain chance definitely early this morning.
Okay.
Kind of a bumpy start in terms of kids at the bus stop and people heading to work. That kind of
Yeah,
stuff.
and that's why I decided to go weather aware this morning, because I think a few of these storms could include some really heavy downpours as well as some gusty winds. Earlier this morning, we did have a severe thunderstorm warning in Fentress County, and in fact, we got a report of some dime-sized hail just north of Jamestown, so it didn't quite meet that severe threshold from what we can tell, but still going to be an active morning for many. Let's start off with Knoxville this morning. Storms haven't yet moved into that area. This is a live look courtesy of our Knoxville Wholesale Furniture camera network. We are seeing some visibility issues though along the Smokies and also into portions of southeast Kentucky, where dense fog has dropped visibility down to about 1 mile. Temperature-wise, it's a mild start. You'll feel it as you head out the door that we are seeing some warmer temperatures. 67 in Knoxville, 65 in Maynardville, 63 there in Tazewell, and 67 as well at Fairfield Glade. Storm Tracker 6 radar showing those showers and storms mainly moving into the Plateau, Northern Valley, and southeast Kentucky. Let's zoom in on this area. This is that thunderstorm that was severe warned earlier this morning. No current active severe warned storms, but we are seeing some frequent lightning here near Sunbright, some very heavy rain, also dodging some heavy rain and rumbles of thunder from Crossville, all the way into portions of Scott County as well, and even near La Follette. If we push things over just a little bit, you can also see the active weather back near Sneedville and Jonesville, as well as into southeast Kentucky, just north of Middlesboro. They're dealing with a stronger thunderstorm there as well. Now, most of this activity is continuing to move more to the south and east, but we are going to keep our eyes on this line of storms that's developed a little bit further off. This is the one that's connecting from the plateau all the way down, kind of creeping into the southern valley. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected over the next couple hours. I do think closer to about 8 a.m. this morning, we're beginning to notice a drier trend, but those clouds are going to linger for a good chunk of your day. So I've got the rain chance early this morning at 40%, but notice how it really tapers off. Just an isolated chance for a shower or thunderstorm at 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. this morning, and then we're pretty dry through lunchtime and into the early afternoon hours. Perhaps a pop-up thunderstorm redevelops later today as a warm front moves through, but that's going to be really isolated. Even with plenty of clouds, I'm still expecting highs to get into the upper 70s and low 80s this afternoon. I bumped up that high to 82 degrees in Knoxville, 78 today in Gatlinburg, and 79 your forecast high in Crossville. Let's talk about the humidity the next few days. It's a little bit muggy to sticky out there this morning. The humidity will come down for your Wednesday, and then we're still pretty comfortable on Thursday, but you can see that uptick in humidity, especially towards the end of the week. This is also going to coincide with our better chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some hit or miss rain chances look to return by Friday into the weekend forecast. Today, though, on the timeline, this morning, as you can see, we're still dealing with some showers and storms. Closer to about 6 a.m., a few of those storms continue over portions of southeast Kentucky, but by 8 a.m., we're starting to dry things out. On the quiet side for lunchtime, temperatures already in the upper 70s for many areas. Low 80s this afternoon with a few breaks of sunshine. Isolated opportunity for a thunderstorm to redevelop late this afternoon. At this point, though, we're not expecting those storms to be all too strong. Just really a pop-up afternoon thunderstorm. Today, though, we're up to 82 degrees. Your best rain chance early this morning. Still on the mild side tonight, just a little cooler than what we're currently seeing. 58 your overnight low. Wednesday and Thursday are great days to get outdoors, especially tomorrow. We'll see some more sunshine for your Wednesday. And then the forecast for the end of the week into the weekend remains pretty unsettled. It's quite warm. High Saturday and Sunday into the mid 80s, but we are tracking some scattered showers and storms, especially for the second half of your Mother's Day.
All right. Thank you, Victoria.